Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solvings in polynomials, we'll be going to make 21st question, and the question statement is written on the screen. Suppose x, y, z and lambda are positive real numbers such that yz is equal to 6 lambda x, xz is equal to 6 lambda y, xy is equal to 6 lambda z, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. Find the value of x, y, z lambda to the power minus 1. They have asked it to us. So guys, symmetrically I can see x, y, y, z and x, z over here. So if the first value I'll be going to multiply it with x throughout, I'll be going to get x, y, z on LHS. And the second equation, if I'll be going to multiply it with y throughout, I'll be going to get x, y, z on LHS. And if the third equation I'll be going to multiply it with z throughout, I'll be going to get x, y, z on LHS. So let's multiply them like this. The first equation will be becoming x, y, z is equal to 6 lambda x square over here. The second one will be becoming x, y, z is equal to 6 lambda y square over here. And the third one will be becoming x, y, z is equal to 6 lambda z square over here. Now my dear students, the LHS of all the equations are same. That is first, second and third. So we'll be going to write, and 6 lambda is common on all the RHS. In all the three equations, 6 lambda is common on the RHS portion. So I'll be going to write x, y, z divided by 6 lambda is equal to x square is equal to y square is equal to z square. It will be. That is what the fourth relation I have generated over here, and let it be the fifth relation written over here. So making use of fourth and fifth equation, what could be generated by me? I could write like x square is equal to y square is equal to z square is equal to 1 by 3 it will be. Because sum of three numbers which are equal to each other is equal to 1 is known to me. So all of them will be becoming 1 by 3 over here. Now guys, I want value of what? I want value of x, y, z lambda to the power minus 1. So I would have to get the value of lambda as well over here. Now guys, x, y, z and lambda are positive real numbers. It was given to us. So I would not be considering minus 1 by root 3 when I'll be going to take square root. So it will be like, we'll be solving this quadratic, we'll be getting plus or minus 1 by root 3. So we'll be considering plus 1 by root 3 only. Because in the question itself it is written over here that they are positive real numbers. Okay, now let's get the positive value of lambda. Using any of these three equations, I could get the value of lambda. So let's make use of this equation. That will be becoming what? xy divided by 6z square. xyz divided by 6z square is equal to lambda. So z and z will be getting cancelled. So what do we know? The value of x 1 by root 3, the value of y 1 by root 3, the value of z 1 by root 3, and a 6 over here. So 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 will be gone. So 1 by 6 root 3 will be the value of lambda over here. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now guys, making use of the values of x, y, z and lambda which we have achieved over here, I would have to get value of x, y, z to the power minus 1. x, y, z lambda to the power minus 1. So the value of x, what do we know? 1 by root 3. The value of y, what do we know? 1 by root 3. The value of z, what do we know? 1 by root 3. The value of lambda, what do we know? 1 by 6 times of root 3 whole to the power minus 1. So that means I would have to reciprocate everything. That means root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into 6 root 3 will be generated over here. That means 3 times of 3, that is 9 multiplied by 6, 54 will be the right answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Guys, so what we have learnt over here? We have learnt just like means if we have symmetric equations of this form, how should we bring the values, how should we get the values of unknown variable? Guys, it was exactly known to you that you have 4 equations and 4 variables. So it can be easily solved by us. There were no less equations than the variables or no less variables than the equations. So no need to bother about, but you have to just understand how to proceed further when such type of question is shown to you. Thanks for watching, my dear students.